Pardon?
Do you floss your teeth?
Have I lost my teeth?
Do you floss your teeth?
Oh, floss knife. No.
Which country invented the modern toothbrush?
Maybe Canada?
No. Are you happy with your teeth?
At the moment, no. Going to Budapest to have it done.
You're going to Budapest?
Yeah.
I'm Dion with Antlara Dental. Today we're in London and we're going to be talking to a few people about their dental health. We've got a few surprise questions in store for them as well, in the hopes that maybe they can win a prize. Let's go ask some questions and find out what people have to say, eh? Hello there, sir. Do you floss?
Do I floss, do I?
You do, yeah. Are you happy with your teeth?
At the moment, no. Going to Budapest to have it done.
Going to Budapest?
Yeah.
Why did you choose Budapest?
Well, because it's very expensive over here. It seems there's top-class dentists in Budapest.
Did you know there's also top-class dentists in Antalya, Turkey?
Yes, I did, yeah.
I also know a company, they're called Antlara Dental. We're also doing a little quiz today where you can win either £100 or £200 voucher on top. Are you interested?
Go on.
Yeah?
Go on.
Fantastic. We'll start with an easy one. For how many minutes should you brush your teeth?
2 or 3, I would say.
Yeah. So at least 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening is a good start, exactly. What animal has the most teeth? I know it's a tricky one.
Alligator?
I'll give you one more guess.
Hang on.
The most teeth. It's actually the snail. A snail has 14,000 teeth. Yeah, I know. Insane. This one's a little bit easier. What popular drink does the most damage to your teeth?
It's the most damage, a fizzy drink.
Yeah, exactly. Fizzy drinks, of course, the enamel that you've got to look after. Now, how many teeth does the adult person have?
22.
Ooh. So it's 32 if you're going to be counting your wisdom teeth. But finally, what country does the modern toothbrush originate from?
Egypt.
Oh, it's China.
China.
Yeah, and how they used to make it is they used to use pig's hair for the bristles and either bone or bamboo for the actual body.
Yeah. Did I pass?
You got 4 out of 5. You have £100 voucher and the 10% off as well. Thank you so much for interviewing with me. And good luck on your dental journey.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Do you floss?
Of course I do. There are teeth, and that's a selling point at our age.
Really is. I was wondering if I could ask you 5 quick questions, an opportunity to win a voucher of either £100 or £200.
Sure, what the heck.
How many minutes should you brush your teeth for?
The full happy birthday song.
I've never heard that before.
Happy
birthday to you.
Yeah, and you just keep doing it.
I'm assuming you sing in your head though.
Oh, yeah.
You only sing out loud if you're very talented.
Okay, what animal has the most teeth? Think outside the box.
Think outside the box. Lion?
Smaller.
Smaller, right? Piranhas?
Snails. Snails have 14,000 teeth.
Oh, really?
I know, it's insane. Okay, so you already know the answer to this. I think you've mentioned it already. What drink is the most damaging for your dental care?
Soda pop.
Soda pop, exactly.
Yeah.
How many teeth does the adult person have?
Well,
32.
32.
Yeah, of
It's a
course.
standard number.
Permanent.
And which country invented the modern toothbrush?
Maybe Canada? We'll give them a
It's China.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you have won a £100 voucher. I know. How important is dental hygiene to you?
Very important.
Quickly ask you 5 questions. It's a little quiz. Possibility of winning a voucher at the end.
Okay.
Are you interested at all? Yeah, fantastic. For how many minutes should you brush your teeth?
2.
Yes, 2. Fantastic. What animal has the most teeth?
Alligator?
It's a snail.
Really?
Yeah. How many teeth does the adult human have?
3.
32. Oh. No, you might have a random there for luck.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is the most damaging popular drink for your teeth?
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, exactly. Soda pops. The sugar really bad for the enamel. And our last question, which country invented the toothbrush?
England.
No. I'll let you have another guess though.
China?
Yes!
Oh.
Exactly, China.
Just studying.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hello, sir. Wanted to ask if you floss your teeth.
Pardon?
Do you floss your teeth?
Have I lost my teeth?
Do you floss your teeth?
Oh, floss knife. No, I brush my teeth.
How long do you brush your teeth for?
3 minutes.
Have you got-
I use an egg time.
An egg timer?
Yeah.
Why did I not think of that?
Yes.
Have you got any advice for your younger self?
Start brushing them from an early age
Yeah,
and not just pretending to.
not pretending to. That's fantastic advice. You're a regular dentist goer?
I go to the dentist. However, in Britain we have what's called the National Health Service, where you can have a heart transplant at absolutely no cost whatsoever. But if you have a filling in one tooth, you pay for it.
See, I'm talking with Antlara Dental today. They have a fantastic service. You have your hotel paid for, your transfers paid for. It's a 5-star hotel. They do everything from fillings and implants all the way to veneers. And it's all about your health as opposed to just cosmetic, which is really important, I think. I was wondering if I could go through a little quiz with you.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, fantastic. Thank you. So you already have the answer for this, but for how many minutes should you brush your teeth?
3.
So they do say
Yes.
2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, but I feel like 3, being time and a half, is even more
3
thorough.
minutes.
I like that. I'm going to do 3 from now on. And how many teeth does the adult human have?
24.
32, but obviously not everyone gets their wisdom teeth, so it can be 28. What animal do you think has the most amount of teeth?
Oh, I think I read about this recently. I don't think I know.
This shocked me when I learned this. Snail.
You're joking.
No, I know. Can you imagine trying to brush all those? 2 more questions. Which popular drink is the most harmful for your teeth?
Coca-Cola?
Yeah, close enough. Fizzy pop, exactly. Really bad for the enamel. Finally, which country invented the modern toothbrush that we use today?
Egypt.
No. Do you want to have another guess? Oh, give me one more.
Almost, did you say? China.
Yeah, thank you so much for taking part. Not only did you get the 10% off, but you've also
Yes.
got the £100 voucher
Wow.
with Antlara Dental. We had a great time, asked many people if they floss. We've got to give away some awesome prizes. Where do you think we should go next to talk to people about their dental hygiene? We are excited about hitting the streets again. Maybe we'll bump into you in the streets of London, who knows? For now, I'm hungry. So I'm going to get some food and then I'm going to go brush my teeth.